Let's keep on building the form type. So there are several things we need to add so it can work as a proper form. So just going to make here a little spacing between the form start and end. We wanted to have them as clear as possible. So let's just add the form one dot. We can see also how the predictive text is helping us to see what we need. So we can look for the form border style, not required, but at least we can edit it. Form border style dot fixed to window. And also we can have form one dot start position, form start position center screen. So that way it's getting affixed to window, and it also is being looked from the center location that we are adding. For that button to accept whatever we have pulled, we need to add a bottom location. So let's just have it from here. Same way as the form is being created, we can add it a button one to be called button one dot text can be called OK or accepted. Button one dot dialog result yes. And finally the button location have it as a point on the 20.120. For it to be performed, we need to add it to our form, because otherwise it cannot be displayed. Form one dot controls dot add can add button one. And on the form, of course, we need to add the accept button. It's gonna be our button one. So that if we click it, it says that it has something missing. It says cannot create instances of point line 27.6. Okay. Because it has no public constructors. So we're having here a public construction problem because point is declared on PhotoGeometry and also on systems. So either we need to separate them or we need to declare them better, because otherwise they won't work. For the purpose of this exercise, we're going to get rid of this one because we're not using it. And what we're going to do is we're going to separate scripts that are using forms from scripts that are using geometry, so that they don't get this type of troubles. If we get rid of it, we already have the element, a close button. It's missing that one to be added because it just deleted this one. It's form one dot controls as we need to add it to button one, and that should be okay. We have the OK button here. If we click it, it's already telling us that it's fine working around. With that button being placed and everything on this shape, now we can create our first combo box. We're going to start from that one so that we can run it and select, and then we're going to work it on Studio Code.